We are now in the second part of our training. In this part, we will learn how PIR and CAR are used as tools to help us manage and improve the way we do our work and make sure we meet the required standards. At work, we sometimes see things that can be improved, or things that went wrong and need to be fixed. That's where PIR and CAR come in. Let's try to understand this as we go further in our discussion. A PIR can be generated as a result of an audit, surveillance, or inspection to identify an opportunity for improvement. Any process improvements or potential non-conformances identified can be addressed proactively to prevent problems or non-compliance. Under Section 6.1.2 of the Proactive Improvement Work Instructions, any person subject to the Amentum POSC 4 QMS systems observing a potential non-conformance or identifying an opportunity for improvement to a product or process may initiate a proactive improvement request, PIR, that shall be communicated or coordinated with the Office of Primary Responsibility or OPR. The originator will then raise a PIR with recommendations and inputs through the PIR form and shall be posted to OnPoint as necessary. PIR accepted by OPR? If yes, the OPR shall formulate and execute preventive actions. Once the preventive action has been accepted by the OPR, the PIR shall be updated following the initiatives taken to proactively fix the potential non-conformance along with the evidence of conformity. Once all necessary action items have been completed and validated for effectiveness, the PIR may now be closed and updated in the CAPA tracker. Preventive action eliminates causes of potential non-conformities, addresses weaknesses, improves processes, and promotes risk-based thinking to all Amentum employees. A PIR can be generated as a result of observation during walkthroughs, random site surveillances, site visits, and desktop reviews when a potential opportunity for improvement is identified. Any site quality personnel can be approached to assist in filling up a PIR form or the POSC 902F1. The same applies when a corrective action request, CAR, is initiated. This happens when there is an actual deviation from a standard or a non-conformance. A CAR can be generated as a result of an audit, surveillance, or inspection on the non-conformance of a product or task observed. These non-conformances shall be inputted into OnPoint for assessment and CAR generation. Earlier, we have mentioned that a CAR involves the application of root cause analysis, RCA, to address non-conformances. Once a non-conformance has been observed, a corrective action working group, COG meeting will be set with the OPR in order to collect technical input from the subject matter experts or SMEs. The COG will document and recommend corrective and proactive actions to fix the identified non-conformance and prevent a recurrence based on the root cause. The team will use the 5 whys problem-solving method as a tool to establish the direct, contributing, and root causes of the non-conformance. During the meeting, the OPR will formulate and provide the CAPA response, assess its effectiveness, and then execute the approved CAPA. Once verified by QA, the information will be updated in the CAR form for follow-up and further verification. Are the CAPA executed as planned? If yes, then QA will update OnPoint and upload evidence of conformity. Then close the CAR file and update in OnPoint. Under 6.1.1 of the CAR work instructions, QA will carry out surveillance inspections in accordance with the POSC 900-01 Quality Management Plan. All Amentum internal and government-identified non-conformance are documented using the POSC 900-03F1 Corrective Action Request CAR form against the inspected standards that are applicable to the functional area's scope of operations. All records generated shall be stored in OnPoint and/or SharePoint. What constitutes a problem in the context of the Amentum QMP? It is any deviation from the standard or a gap between actual and desired conditions, and unfulfilled customer expectations from CPAT assessments and QA-validated customer comment cards. If a problem is identified, action must be taken to fix it. These immediate fixes are documented through a proactive improvement request (PIR) form or a corrective action request (CAR) form to address the customer's primary concern about the identified issue. In conclusion, PIRs and CARs play a key role in helping us find opportunities to improve and address issues before they grow. By using these tools, we support a culture of teamwork, learning, and continuous improvement, where every small action contributes to a stronger and more reliable way of doing things. We hope you found this training interesting and insightful. Please feel free to ask any of our representatives if you have any questions. Also, at the end of this training, please don't forget to sign your training attendance sheets. Thank you, and have a good day.